So waking up here in Grande, Praire on July 17th.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you for the happy... Are you have your camera on?
Yeah.
Oh, even better. Yeah, thanks. Today is my birthday. Got a good workout in this morning. Actually a pretty decent gym there at the 4 Points. Unfortunately, like I was telling Ags this morning, we're kind of out of Marriott's for a while. I mean, we know where we're staying tonight, which was never going to be a Marriott. But none of them in Whitehorse. There is one in Fairbanks, but we're not going to stay there. So anyway, good run at the Marriott's for a while. I'm sure we'll get them as we get back south. But I got a little over 500 miles today. Not quite as cool out this morning as it was yesterday morning. It's in the low 60s. I'm sure once we get outside of town, it'll probably drop upper mid 50s. We finally get to start. I was telling you this morning, Ags, I can't remember, you know, what all we're going through today. I said we're going through Beaver Lodge, so I could remember. We're going to get to the start of the Alaska Highway, so kind of a big deal. I won't be in Alaska for another couple of days, but yeah, so that's the game plan for today. We've got a cabin booked in Muncho Lake, which ought to be kind of cool. When I was 3 or 6 years ago, I stayed in the main lodge. That was nice, but nothing available in the main lodge, so we got a cabin. So anyway, we'll get through town here and start racking up the miles, or kilometers, I guess, while burning through liters of fuel. Well, thank God there's an A&W. I haven't seen one in 10 minutes. Oh, there's the big beaver. I don't know which is the best way, but we'll just take this access road. There you go. Alright, so we got our obligatory pictures. Back on the road. Oh, I think that sign needs a sticker. I don't think I put one on last time. Alright, so now on to Dawson Creek, which isn't that far. Also, we went the new updated two-wheeled rider sticker from Decal Works this go around. Nothing wrong with the old one. We might still use the old ones, we'll see. Time to get back on the road, wide open. It's alright if it's dirty. What's going on, man?
Not my brother.
Just rolling through. I was like, I saw where you were last night. I said, oh, let's pull in there and take a look real quick.
Sounds cool. Did you make it up?
No, we're on our way up.
Oh, where you going tonight?
Muncho Lake.
Okay,
The lodge there.
famous lodge.
Yep.
He reports on his thing. Oh, it's only $125.
Shit. Yeah, it's going up big time.
Yeah, it got up real big time.
So first off, I don't know if you guys can see that bumper sticker, but that's hilarious. Second, just ran into my buddy Jim. You know, we knew where they were staying last night. We were like, well, let's see if they're still there. They are. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're not necessarily riding with them all day long or anything, but we're staying at the same places the next few nights, or at least same towns. So we're hitting the Dalton Highway the same way. So it's nice knowing, you know, we're gonna have some other allies out there with us, and we're there to back them up if they need anything. But trying to find that mile marker 0 sign, and get on the Alaska Highway. Hey, look, world famous Alaska Highway.
Mm-hmm.
Did you want a photo there?
Yeah.
Okay. There's another one up here too, like mile marker 0, but maybe this will move her Subaru out of the way. All right, let's go find milepost 0. Where's the Burger King? Oh yeah, that's where you're supposed to start your Alaska Highway trip, according to the billboard. That's pretty good. All right, got that photo. Is this it right here? Yeah, hold on, right here. Can you get slowed down? Okay, not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna pull down here. Go ahead, just pull over up here, just kind of angle it like I did mine. Just don't hit me. Oop. That's fine. Alright, I think we're good for pictures for a while.
Yeah, that's cool.
Be warned, it's graded.
I know.
Ah, you just let the front end dance a little and stay smooth on the throttle. It's fine. That's your first of many.
Oh, wonderful. That's a long one.
Quick stop here at Tim Hortons. I don't think she's ever had it before. I haven't had it since probably last time I was up here. Still really good. Still don't drink coffee. How was the coffee? So we made it to Pink Mountain. Stopped in there and got fuel last time. Good on fuel this go around. At one point there was a two-wheeled rider sticker in there. Maybe I don't know if we're coming back through on the way home or not, but somebody will have to let me know if they see it. This is labeled as suicide pullout. I don't know what that's all about. I got a little bit of construction. Goes down to one lane here. See how long we have to wait. Apparently not long. We got the green light. Scarecrow! I think it's those Harleys that were at the gas station up in front of us. The guy wore his helmet into P, which I thought was weird. Yeah. Alright, dude, you want to stay on the road and quit kicking up dirt? We're coming into Fort Nelson. We rode about 180 some miles that stretch. We're north of 360 for the day. I got roughly 150 left. Thought it was just a lot of dust around here, but got that kind of smoke in the air. I think we got some wildfires, and at least the smoke of wildfires blowing into the area. But I haven't taken a good look at the weather to see, where they're coming from. Haven't really been on the news here the last couple of days, but Knew there were some as we got out west here. Guess we're a little closer than I thought we were gonna be. So we got the tanks filled up. There are flies all over the place. Now we're gonna stop, grab something to eat, and then hopefully not be in this smoke for too terribly long. Oh, there's that Motel 6 I stayed at. Actually, we're gonna turn in where that guy just pulled out. We got some lunch there in Fort Nelson. Ate at that Boston Pizza one night. Probably the second time I've ever eaten at one. I know they're kind of a chain up here. It's pretty good. Sat up here at the bar, got cooled down a little bit. Just grabbed some snacks at the local co-op, because there's not really going to be a place to grab any snacks if we want them later. Got about 150 roughly miles to go to get to, I think it's called Northern Rockies Lodge in Muncho Lake. Hopefully get out of the smoke too. We are about 70 miles outside of Muncho Lake. Looks like we're getting in a little bit more smoke from wildfires after having some clear air there for quite some time. I mean, we might as well just come to a complete stop. Looks like we're gonna ride into a little bit thicker smoke before it goes away. First moose, or the backside of one. Just want to make sure he doesn't go out in front of me. Yep. Alright, we got a moose and a caribou in the last 5 minutes. We got to stop up here. So we made it to Muncho Lake. It's right there. But we got single lane traffic due to construction, so we're stopped. I don't think it'll be too long. I think it's the first time on a trip I've stayed in a cabin. All right, so good dinner there at the lodge. Huge shout out to Jim for picking up dinner. That was nice of him. Happy birthday to me. It's after 10 p.m. It's this bright out. So Ags is stopping by the bike to pick up her mileage. We're gonna crack open the windows because there's no HVAC. Get up early tomorrow and head up to Whitehorse.